Namaskar, I'm Shamalisi now. Welcome to Foodie. Bhapa Ilish Jeere bata diye is not common in many Bengali houses as Shorshe bata diye Bhapa Ilish, but this is another classic recipe in Bengali cuisine. So let's get started. In this bowl, I have cumin seed, add in salt and warm water. Now give a stir to dilute the salt, then soak the cumin seed at least for 30 minutes. Longer is better. Now transfer this soaked cumin seed in a grinder jar, add 2-3 green chillies, put the lid on and grind them to make a smooth paste. Now freshly ground cumin paste is the beauty of the dish, but just for any reason if you don't want to make this cumin paste, then what you can do, in a bowl add some cumin powder, salt and enough water to make a paste. Now to make Bhapa Ilish in a traditional way, people use a metal tiffin box. I don't have that metal tiffin box here, and what I usually do, I usually marinate the fish in my heavy duty cooking pot and cover with the lid and I directly cook it. So if you want to follow that process, you can check out my Jeere Bhapa diye salmon recipe. Now if you want to follow that same tiffin box process, and if you don't have tiffin box but if you have metal cake pan, then you can use that cake pan to follow the same process. Now I'm pouring this cumin green chilli paste in this cake pan, add in turmeric powder, salt and mustard oil. I like to add a little bit of sugar to balance the taste, and now time to mix everything. Now I have taken 5 Ilish or Hilsa pieces, add in these pieces into the spice mixture. I'm adding about a quarter cup of water. You can add less water if you enjoy almost dry curry. Add 2-3 green chillies or more. Now let me wash my hand. Alright, now cover the pan with a foil. And I like to wrap my pan twice to secure that the steam cannot escape. Now let the fish marinate for 10-15 minutes and then we'll start steaming. Take a wide cooking pot with lid, pour some boiling water. Place the fish into this cooking pot, cover with a lid. After that, over high heat, cook for 5-6 minutes. You will see the steam on the lid. Then reduce the heat to medium low and cook for about 15 minutes or so. Then turn off the heat, wait for 10 minutes. Alright, and now time to serve. Try this recipe and do let me know what do you think about this recipe. I would like to hear from you. And if you enjoy this video, then like, share, comment and subscribe to Foodie. বাংলায় আমার সাথে গল্প করার জন্য দেখুন আমার vlog channel Foodie Life. We'll meet again. Till then, bye.